Are you planning to build your dream home but feeling overwhelmed by all those complex drawings and symbols? Don't worry. In this video, I'll break down how to read building plans step by step so you can confidently understand your house project. Let's get started. Welcome back to this channel at Akadon Project Limited. Before we dive in, let's go over what a building plan actually is. A building plan is a set of drawings that show how your house will be constructed. These include floor plans, elevations, sections, and details. Each part serves a unique purpose in visualizing the final structure. Understanding these plans is key. You'll be able to communicate your vision clearly with your builder. Plus, you'll catch any potential hiccups before a single block is laid. Trust me, a little upfront homework saves a whole lot of headaches down the road. Now let's dive in. Building plans, sometimes called blueprints, are like a map for your house. They are detailed drawings that show your home from every angle inside and out. Imagine slicing your house like a cake and being able to see inside each layer. That's what building plans do. These drawings use lines, symbols, and numbers to represent walls, doors, windows, electrical wiring, plumbing, you name it, it's on there. They are super detailed, which might seem overwhelming at first. Don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this guide, you'll be navigating these blueprints like a pro. Building plans are divided into different sections. Each section focuses on a specific part of your home. Title block. This is like the cover page. It tells you the project name, the names of the architect and builder, and the date the plans were made. Floor plans. These are like bird's eye views of each floor of your house. They show you the layout of the rooms, the location of walls, doors, and windows, and even where fixtures like sinks and toilets go. Elevations. Imagine holding a giant mirror up to each side of your house. That's what elevations are. They show you what your home will look like from the front, back, and sides. Sections. Remember that sliced cake? Sections are like taking a closer look at those slices. They show you a cross-section of your house, revealing the structure of walls, roofs, and foundations. Schedules. Schedules are like ingredient lists. They provide detailed information about things like doors, windows, and finishes. Symbols. Building plans use special symbols to represent different elements like doors, windows, electrical outlets, and plumbing fixtures. Think of it like a secret language that you'll soon be fluent in. Cracking the code, dimensions, and scale. Now let's talk numbers. Building plans use dimensions to show the size and location of everything. These dimensions are usually shown in feet, inches, meters, or millimeters. You'll see numbers next to lines that tell you exactly how long a wall is, how wide a window is, or how high a ceiling is. But here's the catch. You can't just measure the lines on the paper with a ruler. Building plans are drawn to scale. This means that a certain distance on the plan represents a much larger distance in real life. For example, 1 inch on the plan might equal 4 feet in your actual house. The scale will be clearly marked on the plans. Make sure you understand the scale before you start measuring anything. Symbols speak louder than words. Have you ever noticed how a skull and crossbones symbol warns you of danger? Building plans have their own set of symbols too. These symbols are standardized, meaning they mean the same thing on every plan. You'll find symbols for doors, showing which way they swing, windows, appliances, plumbing fixtures, electrical outlets, light switches, and much more. Don't worry, you don't need to memorize them all. Most building plans include a legend that explains what each symbol means. Learning to read these symbols is like learning a new language. Once you know what they mean, you'll be able to read the plans and understand how everything in your house will be laid out. Plan check, your expert eye. Now that you understand the basics of building plans, it's time to put your knowledge to work. Carefully review your plans and make sure everything makes sense to you. Imagine yourself walking through your future home. Do the rooms flow well? Is there enough storage space? Are there enough windows for natural light? Use the scale to double-check the dimensions of rooms and furniture placement. Will your furniture fit comfortably? Don't overlook the schedules. Are the door and window styles what you picked out? Are the finishes what you expected? Don't be afraid to ask your builder or architect any questions you have. It's better to clarify something now than to regret it later. Remember, this is your dream home. Don't be afraid to speak up and make sure the plans reflect your vision. Ready, set, build. Congratulations. You've taken the time to understand your building plans, and you're well on your way to building your dream home. Remember, these plans are your roadmap to success. Keep them handy throughout the entire building process. Refer to them often, ask questions, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. After all, the more involved you are, the more you'll appreciate the final result. Now go out there and build something amazing. Akidon Project Limited believes in you. Like, share and subscribe for more educative contents like this. Thanks for watching.